everyone, I'm Ochen Jonah, and today Apple has unveiled the future in your hands, the all-new iPhone 17 Pro, or as I like to call it, the iPhone 15 Pro with better marketing. Crafted from aerospace-grade titanium, lighter yet stronger than ever, because clearly what we really needed was a phone tougher than my office chair on deadline night. Powered by the A19 Pro chip, the fastest smartphone processor in the world. Perfect for running Photoshop, Illustrator, After Effects all at once. Meanwhile, my laptop from 2015 just fainted hearing that. Every detail reimagined, every feature elevated, every graphic designer's wallet demolished. Photography redefined with the new quad-lens Pro camera system. You can shoot in 16K cinematic video. Amazing! Now, my bad selfies will look bad in higher resolution, sharper, faster, stronger, and more expensive. But let's be honest, the design, it's basically copy-paste. Apple took the iPhone 15 Pro, hit CTRL plus C, CTRL plus V, then dragged it slightly to the left in Figma. Boom, iPhone 17 Pro. Honestly, I respect the efficiency. And yes, it comes with iOS 19, more personal, more secure, more intuitive, and more excuses for me to explain to my parents why their iPhone 8 still works just fine. The future is calling, and it looks suspiciously like last year's phone. This is the iPhone 17 Pro, the Pro beyond, and for broke graphic designers like me, Ochen Jonah, it's also the Pro out of budget.